you buy something on Temu, it is a good idea to contact the seller if you have questions about the product, shipping, or returns. This helps you make sure you know what you're buying and avoid problems. So for that, you need to go ahead and open the Temu app or website, that is temu.com, log into your specific account, and you need to simply go ahead and find the product. For that, you can use the search bar in the top. Then after, go ahead and tap on the product that you want to buy. Once you're in the product page, tap or click on the product to see its details. Now find the contact seller button. Scroll down and you will see the name of the seller and their profile. Go ahead and tap on their name. This will directly take you to their profile. Now you can go ahead and follow them. And in the case, if you want to go ahead and follow them, you can tap on the follow button over here. If you don't see the button of contact seller, the seller might not allow direct contact. If that happens, you can contact the Temu customer support. You can send your message over there, write a clear and short message with the question and send it, and wait for the seller to reply before you order. Another option is you can check the Temu Support Center for frequently asked questions and use the live chat feature on the app or the website to talk to someone from the Temu support. You can tap on support in the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on chat with Temu. This will open the live chat section where you can go ahead and send your message over here and chat. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.